Imagine this. You're on your deathbed, but instead of closing your eyes forever, a machine copies your brain every memory, emotion, and thought into a computer. Next moment, you wake up. Not in your body, but inside a server. Welcome to digital immortality. But is that really you? Or just a ghost made of code? For decades, scientists and sci-fi dreamers have imagined a world where death isn't the end, where instead of vanishing, your consciousness could be transferred into a machine. This is called mind uploading, and it's not just science fiction anymore. Your brain has over 86 billion neurons, each forming trillions of connections that define your thoughts, memories, fears, and dreams. The idea of uploading your brain means scanning every single neuron, mapping every synapse, and then recreating all of it inside a digital system. In 2013, scientists successfully mapped a tiny worm's brain, just 302 neurons, and recreated its behavior inside a robot. Now imagine scaling that to a human brain, a task that would require scanning at nanometer precision, storing 2.5 petabytes of data, and simulating real-time consciousness using quantum-level processing. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. AI is closing that gap faster than you think. But what happens after the upload? You wake up not in a physical body, but in a virtual world. You can think, feel, remember. You still remember your mother's voice, your first love, your childhood fears. But here's the terrifying part. Is that really you? Or just a copy of your brain pretending to be you? This is the identity paradox if the original you dies, and a perfect replica lives on in code. Who is truly conscious? Are you alive? Or just data with memories? Now imagine living forever inside a simulation. No hunger, no sickness, no death. Just endless thinking, endless being. But what if you get hacked? What if your mind is edited, twisted, or used as a weapon? What if you're trapped in a feedback loop thinking forever, unable to escape? Digital immortality could be paradise, or it could be a prison. And there's one question left that no machine, no scientist, no AI has ever answered. If you upload your brain, is your soul included? So I ask you, if tomorrow you had the chance to upload your mind and live forever, would you? Or would you let nature take its course and rest for real?
Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and comment which part do you like the most, and what will be the topic for the future videos. Please comment and please share this video as much as you can. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and comment which part do you like the most, and